You know, this trading indicator nailed 100 ticks straight down today, and then it also nailed 100 ticks straight up today, right? So when people tell me, hey, Mark, there's just not enough ticks or pips to be had when trading volume, I don't know what you're talking about, right? In my humble opinion, I feel like every day provides us with an opportunity to grab massive amounts of ticks. You understand? And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare for the most explosive trading day this month. And that is, yep, you guessed it, tomorrow's FOMC meeting. It comes out tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all you active day traders know this is going to be a potential massive opportunity to make a lot of money tomorrow, okay? So let's get to it. Today is Tuesday, March 19th. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark. It's a super popular symbol. It's actively traded every single day. I'm talking millions of trading contracts each and every day. It's one of the best symbols to trade if you like actively trend trading the market. Like the trends that show up on the S&P 500 are incredible. And of course, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our green and red volume indicator color band that helps us nail the trend direction almost each and every day. And the reason that my customers are doing so well with this indicator is because of the entry techniques. Okay, folks, one thing you have to realize is when you enter a trade, you have to be somewhat confident that the trade is going to move in your favor for at least a couple of bars. All right. And that's why I love focusing on these retracement trading setups. Now, this happens to be a higher time frame chart. Those of you following along, feel free to pull up a T-bar speed of 14 from today, March 19th. Your chart should look exactly like this. All right. Just gorgeous. Okay. And so how we typically play it is whenever we see this retracement candle show up, all right, that's our signal to potentially go short the market on the open of the next candle. The stop loss goes 1 or 2 ticks or pips above that signal, bars high. And then you guys know what to do after that, right? Draw out that simple profit grid that I talk about all the time. Here's 1 to 1, gets you to break even. And here's 2 to 1, or maybe even 3 to 1 that allows you to take profits sensibly. Now, as you know, there's also another way to play this volume indicator, right? Some of my customers who are a little bit more aggressive will trade the color change as opposed to the retracement. And look, there's nothing wrong with that, all right? If you feel that you've mastered your market and you understand that this particular setup is a lot more higher risk than this type of setup, right? As long as you understand that and you're okay with that, then yeah, feel free to attempt to trade the color change as opposed to the retracement, because you can quite clearly see that the indicator nails the trend change, all right, which is the same as the color change. And when the market starts trending hard, boy, do you bag some serious profits. I mean, this was well over 100 ticks, all right, straight up. All right, and the indicator nailed that trend change right here. That's what people love about such a beautiful volume-based indicator. Now, what I think is going to happen in tomorrow's Fed meeting is the market's going to have an impulsive move like this to begin with. All right, that typically always happens when the news first hits the tape. You're going to get an impulsive move, probably 100 bars print in 1 second. But I think that if you wait a couple of minutes after the news comes out, I'm talking like maybe 2 or 3 minutes, all right? I think what you're going to see is the market start ripping hard, either bullish or bearish. It don't matter to us, right? We are traders, and so our job is to only follow the trend, okay? I think we're going to see a lot of retracements tomorrow in both directions. And so, folks, when this news comes out tomorrow, all right, the FOMC interest rate decision, I'm telling you, man, I'm going to have my finger on the trigger. I'm going to be watching the vol closely, and I'm going to be pouncing on any retracement candles that show up like this. Again, either bullish or bearish, I don't care, okay? Because I think the S&P 500 and the Nas and the Dow, like all the symbols tomorrow, are going to give us well over 500 ticks of potential moves. I mean, that's enough to make your entire month, you understand? So anyways, congrats to all of my people who caught some nice profits today, March 19th, on this volume indicator. Hope you're ready for a day of absolute fireworks tomorrow. And I'm absolutely chomping at the bit to show you how volume is going to grab some incredible profits tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.